So this week I thought I would talk a bit about some of the issues that you might run into when setting up a home audio system. I'll be focusing on noise, hum and vibrations. Whether you are a seasoned audiophile or just a beginner, understanding and troubleshooting these issues is crucial for achieving the best sound quality. First, let's talk about noise and hum. These pesky distractions can detract from your listening experience and are often caused by grounding problems, interference from other electronic devices, or faulty cables and connections. To identify the source of the noise, start by checking your connections. Make sure all your cables are securely plugged in and free from damage, whether that might be your cat nibbling on the wires or the plug bent out of shape. If you suspect interference from other devices, try unplugging them one by one to see if the noise disappears. Products like AudioQuest noise stopper caps can prevent radio frequency interference and electromagnetic interference from entering your system. These caps fit over any unused ports, protecting against dust and corrosion while reducing unwanted noise. Ports that you could use these caps for would include HDMI, USB, and XLR. Additionally, you should also consider using shielded cables. For reducing mains noise, products like the Isotech Evo 3 plug or the Cord Power Array plug can provide a consistent improvement to your power supply. These plugs reduce high frequency noises and are best placed in a spare wall socket or distribution block within your system. Now let's address vibrations. These can negatively impact sound quality by introducing unwanted resonance and distortions. Isolation feet such as the IsoAcoustics Aurea series are designed to mitigate and dampen vibrations, resulting in clearer and more detailed sound reproduction. Choose feet that match the weight of your components for optimal performance. By implementing these tips and these products or other products similar, you can effectively identify and mitigate noise, hum, and vibrations in your audio system, ensuring an immersive and enjoyable listening experience.